So let's take a look at how to write a lookup formula to return multiple values. In this example here, I want to look up this company name in this table over here and return all of the phone numbers for that company. And there's several occurrences of that. So you might think of using a VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP for this, but that can be a bit challenging to return multiple values. And instead, we're going to use the new filter function. So in this cell right here, I'm going to start typing equals filter. We'll tab into that. And there's 3 arguments. The first argument is the array, and this is the range that we want to return values from. So I'm going to select the phone number column here because we want to return phone numbers. I'll type a comma. The include argument is our filter criteria. So in this case here, we're going to select all of the company column, and then we're going to set that equals to. We'll type equals to and select cell B2 because we want to set it to this company, comma. If empty, we can just say something like not found, or you can put whatever you want here in quotation marks. We'll hit enter, and as you can see, that's going to return all of the phone numbers found for that company. So let's take a look at how to write a lookup formula to return multiple values. In this example